In the following video, I'll show you how my Project 1 Nights is running properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and open my terminal. I'm already in my projects directory. So I'm gonna run the puzzle.py. Okay, so we get the following answers. For puzzle 0, A is a knave. For puzzle 1, in which we have two characters, A and B, we get that A is a knave and B is a knight. In puzzle 2, in the one we have also two characters, we get that A is a knave and B is a knight. And finally, for puzzles 3, in which we have three characters, A, B, and C, we get that A is a knight, B is a knave, and finally C is a knight. So yes, that's basically my project working. I'm gonna run it again and you'll see it shows the correct answers by using different propositional logic sentences in which I used biconditionals, implications, ands, ors, and in all of them, every time a character said something, I modeled it as an biconditional in which the precondition is that the character is a knight, because knights always say the truth, and every character says something trying to tell other people that he is telling the truth. So that's why, always as a precondition, I assumed the character was a knight. And then in the post condition of the implication or of the biconditional, I always try to write the propositional logic sentences according to what the character said. Thank you very much.